up, people? Hey, Christian. Shut up. Yo, look at this. We're going to the car show right now. And we're going to see a lot of cars there. It's going to be pretty epic-atos. I'm going to go over on the hill. See? I'm over on the hill. Jesus Christ. This is... Bro. This grass. I hear some cars. What is that noise? Woo! We're over by the car show. You can recognize the city, right? You can recognize the city, right? I live in New York. I'm just playing. I live in LA. I'm just playing. I live in Chicago.
Wouldn't be this cold.
I live in Chicago, actually. So it's pretty nice out here. I see you, pretty stars. What are you doing? There's a whole bunch of people. McCormick. Oh, Christian. Stay here. Can you wait? I'm gonna sit right here. Oh my God, my butt's cold. Okay, we can go now. What are you doing? What the? Look at Christian, my homie.
No.
Look at Ileana, this girl. Hey. Well, let's do this. Assassin's Creed, baby. Woo! Oh, come on.
This is so creepy.
It's not really creepy.
Yeah, if you were all the way down there.
Oh, heck, you know.
Not right here, but you know.
Wow, watch this. Yeah.
Let me see it.
No. Hey, welcome to... I thought this was a Halloween place. I don't know why.
You can see everything. Like, don't put it to your face. No. Change the camera angle.
Why?
Start a whole new video. It could be part 2.
Oh, yeah, part 2.
So
when we enter the thing, it's going to be part 2.
Okay.
Christian, what are you doing? Oh, my God. Are you even strong enough? Jeez. Oh, you scared me. I thought that was Christian being strong as crap.
Oh, no, you gotta turn it. Turn it.